Hi there, in today's Instant eStore tutorial, we're going to show you how to edit your front page elements. After you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Now there are two ways to get to your front page from your dashboard. The first is to click the View Store link at the top, and the second is to click Design followed by Customize Template. Now your Customize Template page has a very cool feature. It allows you to add up to 5 templates to your current template list. You can choose from all the different templates we have on the page, right? It's advisable to use the newer V8 templates, okay? Now, why is this feature useful? It's really useful if you want to change the look of your store quickly, okay? You can do that by just using a different template. Do not worry about the products. It will call all your products accordingly, okay? All you need to do is change your hero shot or your slides, okay? Now some templates do not have slides or hero shots. For example, this one is quick preview to let you have a look. So if you want a totally different look, you can use this template. Maybe you like one with a border at the side, a side menu, you can, right? So let's just choose one. I think I'll choose this one. Click apply. Very simple. Wait a couple of seconds. Then close the pop-up box and the page will refresh and you see it here. Now how do you know which one is live and which one is not? Well, look out for the live indicator, and it's very easy to switch between live and admin only. Now at any one time, one template has to be live. So we're going to set this one to live, the new one, and set this one to admin only. So as you can see, this one is live and this one is no longer live, right? So I want to set this one back to live and I'm going to work on this one, okay? So I'm going to set it to live, this one admin only, and I'm going to remove this one. Just click the remove link and it's done, okay? So now on to editing this template. All you have to do is click edit layout. Now let's quickly go through the sections of your front page, okay? Now this is the top section, which typically contains your search field, an editable text section, an accounts link, mini card, logo. This is the drop down category menu, and editable links, okay? Now try not to add too many links, okay? Just the important ones will do. We don't want too many here because it will just be a distraction, and also it might create a second line of links, okay? And now let's move on to the main content section. Usually this section begins with a hero shot or a slider. Some templates do not have these two features, which is okay. It depends on the look you're going for. These are editable snippets. These are product listings. Usually it's called from front page products or new products, okay? And this is the footer. Right, let's begin by clicking design followed by font and color. Now on this page, if you have a logo prepared, you can upload it here. Usually the logo should be around 200 by say 50 or 60 pixels, okay? And if you don't have a logo yet, you can just alter the text here, okay? You can edit the text here and it will display, it will reflect over here, okay? So now let's play around with the background color to show you how you can change things around. So primary color usually affects the footer, okay? Show you how it's done. Let's pick something really gaudy so you can see the difference, okay? I think this is like pinkish, so you can see it reflected right here. Now this second column is for the transparency, okay? Okay, let's keep that. Secondary color is for the drop down, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's just click on it again. Let's pick the gaudiest color we can find, maybe make it a bit transparent. Let's see how it works out. Yeah, okay, you can see it there. And finally the tertiary color. This is usually the buttons, okay? So let's pick something that's orange, maybe perhaps. See whether, yeah, I think orange will do. Click here. Yeah, there you have it. And the rest of the links are self-explanatory. This is to adjust the text color, and this one is the font family, just in case you want to change the fonts, right? There are many to choose from. Once you're done, you can save changes. Okay, I'll click the looks perfect, I'm done, but link. Now these three icons are different views. This is for desktop, and this is what your store will look like on a tab, and this one what it will typically look like on a mobile device. Okay, so now let's go back and see what else we can adjust or edit. Okay, I'm not going to save these changes because let's face it, the colors I've picked are not exactly palatable, right? So I'm going to click the back to view store. Next, we're going to click design followed by layout. Click OK in the pop-up. You will notice there's a orange highlight along the full length of the page. These are sections which you can edit. You can turn the highlight off by just clicking the link here. I'm going to turn it on so it's easier to see which areas are editable. Alright, let's try and edit the first area, which is the text area. Just click on it and you'll see a menu at the top, so you can edit the text any way you like. I'm just going to make it bold and maybe change the color, okay, to red. See what it looks like. Yeah, okay. Now merchants usually use this area to display messages such as this, like free delivery, or if they're on vacation, they can put a short vacation notice here, or if there's going to be a delay in a delivery, or maybe a coupon code, right? Okay, next area is this. Yeah, clicking this will call this edit links menu. I'm just going to add a new link. Okay, link name, call it test link. Maybe use this as an example. I'm going to copy this link, paste it here. Maybe call it product. Test product. Okay, then click away. Don't have to click add a new link. Just click away. This will stay. And to edit the slider, all you do is click this. Okay, but I have a video which will show you how to edit the slider. Okay, so look out for the link on the screen above or below. Right, and I'll probably include the link in the description as well. Okay, moving on, I'm going to try to edit this area. This is a snippet. If you click on it, you'll see a list of snippets. I'm going to show you. Right, so you can use a lot of them. Now to pull, you can pull one in and look out for the gray bar. Okay, this is where the snippet will end up. So I'm just let one go here, right? And to change the image, all you do is click the blue icon, and to change the link, click the orange icon with the link on it. Okay. Now sometimes when you approach the icons, right, they disappear because it's not in the active area. So just hover around. For example, this is at the top, so this is the active area at the top. So now the icons will stay. So this is what it looks like. So you have an option to either use free stock photographs from Pixabay, or you can upload your own images from your PC. Okay, and I also have a video to show you how to optimize and to get the exact image dimensions when you want to replace your images. So look out for the link again in the description or in the video itself. Okay, now to arrange the images in terms of sequence, all you have to do is pull one up. Okay, look out for the gray bar. Let it go. As you can see, they've switched positions. If you want to delete or you want to duplicate, click this. Okay, and you want to delete, click the X, confirm, click the X again, confirm. Alright, okay, and this is an empty HTML area which you can drag a snippet in. I haven't made use of it, so I'm going to make use of it now. Probably want to just drag in something, maybe social media, something to do with social media, or maybe a review from your customers. Yeah, that's quite important. Okay, I think this one will do. Right, I'm just going to drag it in. You see the area turns to gray, so let it go here. Now I've already got an image to fit this exactly, so I'm going to show you how it's done. Upload your own image. Okay, this is the original image. It's much bigger. See, it's about 400 by 400, right? This one's 180 by 180, so I'm going to use this. See, that's how it's done. And you can save it. You can of course change the text here. This would be your customer's name and probably where they're from and what they have to say about your products, right? So it's easily done that way. Now let's go to the footer. This is the same as the links at the top. It's the same. You can in fact move this around. Okay, right, notice how it changes places. Do that again, and you want to delete, just use this trash icon to delete. Okay, and if you want to change the icons here, you can. You can't delete it, you have to let us know if you want to remove it, but you can change the icons here. Okay, and then this one's too. Okay, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Right, you know the drill. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons, and we'd love to hear some feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching.